Before proceeding with sleeve replacement, first shut off the UV breaker and the appropriate raw water pump. Loosen the drain plug and allow the chamber to empty completely. Then, loosen and remove the purple end caps. Remove the ceramic connector and rubber O-ring seal on both sides. Without touching the lamp with bare hands, pull it directly out of the sleeve without scraping the sidewall. Using pliers, loosen and remove the sleeve lock rings from both sides. Once both sides are removed, loosen and remove the sleeve collars using the wrench flats. Using a piece of pipe with the same outer diameter as the sleeve, push the sleeve out of the housing. Delicately insert the new sleeve. Ensure that the rubber O-ring seal is properly seated. Apply thread sealant to the collars. Screw in the collars by hand on both sides until you get minimal resistance. Then, using the wrench flat, you will tighten the collars evenly, doing half rotations one side at a time to ensure a good seal. Then, using pliers, tighten the sleeve lock ring. Repeat on the other side. Delicately reinsert the lamp inside the sleeve. Then replace the O-ring seal, the ceramic connector, as well as the purple end cap. You can now repeat the same steps for the other side. Once both sides have been properly reassembled, tighten the drain plug. Then, turn on the UV and wait 15 minutes before putting the appropriate raw water pump in auto mode.